Hey everyone, today I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to freeze your panes, which will make life easier when you're trying to scroll through data sets or compare different pieces of data in Excel spreadsheet. Typically, you'd find yourself on the Home tab here, and it gives you a lot of options, but what we want to do is go to View, the View tab at the top of Excel. And what that's going to do is you'll be able to see the Freeze Panes tab. So or the button. We'll just click on that, and it gives us a couple options. Freeze Panes, which you can select any cell in the spreadsheet, and it will allow you to freeze the panes around that. Some of the most common ones is freeze the top row and freeze first column. So we'll go ahead and look at freeze top row first. And what that's going to do, we're going to click that, and what it's going to do is it's going to freeze whatever that top row of data is. It doesn't matter which cell you have selected in the spreadsheet. As you do freeze top row, it's going to hold that top row in place. So as you scroll, you're always going to see the subject headers there. So, when you've got a big spreadsheet and you go down and you see multiple numbers, it might be hard to keep straight. And so having that freeze panes, that freeze the top row, it makes that a lot easier to be able to scroll through and identify that data. Okay, we're going to unfreeze that, and we'll do freeze first column, and that's going to do exactly the same thing, where it's going to freeze column A, so that as you are scrolling through, so you'll be able to scroll through. Maybe you have data or the subject headers are on the left side, and it's kind of the same thing that you're trying to do with the freeze top row. Now the last one that I'm going to show you is freeze panes. And what this will do is it will freeze the row and the column. You'll select a cell, and based on that cell, it will freeze the panes around it. So let's say we're going to click on D5. We'll do freeze panes. So everything from above row 5 and to the left of C is going to, C included, it's going to freeze that pane. So we'll scroll down here. And so it's got all of that data. I mean, it's got those rows frozen in place, and it also has those columns frozen in place. So you'll see you can scroll through using those two different criteria there. Please remember to subscribe to the Excel Guy.